Hello, everybody, and welcome in. Thank you so much for your support and joining me. This is Patty, and I'm showing you my biscuits that I fixed this morning. And what I used is a Southern biscuit mix. And I got this from Chef Jeff in Katy, Texas. And ever since I've looked at his video and saw this mix, I went out and bought some so I could try it for myself. And it is absolutely amazing. And I made my biscuits different sizes, as you can see here. I didn't cut them all the same, but they are absolutely delicious. You must try this recipe. Just go out and get this mix and you got it. Add some buttermilk to it, and that's it. It already has the little buttery cut up pieces in it. It is amazing. Thank you all for your support, and I love you all. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.